Linking your Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so you're all set up now. You picked up your niche, you selected a bunch of cool, high-priced products to promote, you created your Amazon affiliate website the easy way, and you already set up your Amazon Associates account. Now it's time for you to learn how to funnel people from your content all the way through the Amazon Marketplace to get them to make you affiliate money there by using Amazon affiliate links. You see, you will not make money as an Amazon affiliate only by sending your visitors from your affiliate to Amazon, because Amazon needs to know when a customer was sent from your site to the marketplace in order to pay you for your corresponding commissions. And to do so, Amazon uses affiliate product links, which are product page URLs especially designed to track people clicking on the affiliate links on your site. So let's show you how to get your affiliate links and how to use them on your site. Using the Amazon Associates site stripe to get your affiliate links. There is a really easy way to get your affiliate links without you ever having to leave the Amazon Marketplace. Simply look for any product on the Amazon Marketplace by navigating through categories or by using the search bar, all while logged into your Amazon.com account. Click on the product to access the product page. Now look for the Amazon Associates site stripe bar on top. You will be able to get your affiliate links from where it reads Get Link. You can get text link, image link, text plus image link, and links to share on Facebook and Twitter. Click on text, and you will get both a short link and a full link to insert on your site. Click on image, and you will be able to get an image link. Here you can select whether to get a link to a small-sized image, a medium-sized image, or a large-sized image. You can preview the link as it would look on your site. Click on Text plus Image, and you will get an affiliate link that will feature the full offer on your site, just like it would appear in the Amazon Marketplace, which is awesome. You can choose to open the link on a new tab and also to feature your affiliate link with or without a border. You can preview how the affiliate link looks on your site. Lastly, you can click on the Facebook icon and click on Post to Facebook to share your affiliate link on Facebook. And you can click on the Twitter icon and click on Tweet to share your affiliate offer on Twitter. Getting your affiliate links from your Associates account. You can also get affiliate links by logging into your Amazon Associates account and going to the Product Linking tab. There, click on Product Links. Use the search bar to enter a keyword or ASIN number to locate products and click on Go. A list of products will appear below. Locate the one that you intend to promote and click on Get Link. You can simply copy the URL from the box or click on Build Link to customize your affiliate link to your liking. Inserting your affiliate links on your site. Inserting affiliate links into your content is really easy. You can start by inserting your affiliate links into your posts by clicking on Add Media and then on Insert from URL to test this feature. But the appropriate way to do this is by stylizing your affiliate links. You can insert your affiliate links on text within your content by clicking Add Media, selecting Insert from URL, entering your affiliate link text in the link text field, and then on Insert into Post. Image links and text links with images are also very easy to insert and will convert like crazy. Simply copy the image link URL and paste it into your content by going to the Add Media button, then to the Insert from URL section, pasting the affiliate link in the URL field, and clicking on Insert into Post. We recommend you insert it in between paragraphs where it could be relevant. And that is it. This is how you insert affiliate links to link to affiliate products that will make you tons of affiliate money.